know it's been a hot minute since I posted on YouTube, and I have a couple good reasons for that. First of all, I got a new camera for Christmas. My brother got me it as a gift, which I'm super excited about. But funnily enough, it actually takes such good video that my old computer couldn't process it. And I needed a new computer for other reasons as well. But anyways, it took me a while to get that computer in, and I couldn't do any editing until I got it in. But then second of all, I honestly kind of messed up really bad. We were in Austria, which I briefly mentioned in my last video that I was going to Austria for Christmas. And it was so gorgeous. It was literally a picture perfect winter wonderland while we were there. It was amazing. I was so happy, so excited about the vlog I was gonna make. And then I get home and I start editing it, and it slowly dawns on me that like none of the clips had any sound. And like I'm slowly processing this information as I'm going through the videos, and I'm like, maybe it's my computer, maybe blah, like I'm trying all this different stuff. Well, turns out I made a really stupid mistake, which was making the assumption that the mic I already had was compatible with my new camera, and I never tested it out. I just went with it. And yeah, it turns out that was a very wrong assumption. It took me some time to like mentally want to edit this video, but it's honestly, it was such a fun week. The Austrian Alps were so gorgeous, so snowy and perfect that I didn't want to just throw away all of the clips. So this video is going to be a slightly different style. It's going to be a little bit of an experiment. It's going to be some music, some voiceover. Luckily, I did take a couple clips on my iPhone, which I'm now way happier about than I thought I was going to be. But yeah, I hope you guys still enjoy this video. The Austrian Alps were absolutely gorgeous. One thing that I feel like kind of makes up for the fact that I don't have sound in any of these clips is I do have drone footage, because my brother has an awesome drone. That was just really cool to get that drone footage in the Austrian Alps. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you do, and subscribe if you haven't yet. My entire extended family of about 25 people gathered in a small family-run castle in the Austrian Alps for Christmas. The weather for the first couple days we were there was a little dreary and rainy, but luckily it did a quick 180 and was super gorgeous for the rest of the time. The first day of good weather, we went for a hike around the Steirischer Bodensee. I was mesmerized by how much snow clung to these teeny tiny branches. Most of the family just did the hike around the lake, but then my brother spotted this waterfall on the drone, and so myself, my mom, and my two brothers decided to hike up to the waterfall. We had to forge the path to the waterfall ourselves through some pretty deep snow, and my shoes definitely were not adequate, but it was still a blast and we're so happy we did it. This is the castle we stayed in, and the family that runs it completely blew my mind when it came to Christmas. Everyone staying at the hotel felt like one big family. We had Glühwein, and the family that runs the hotel even handed out gifts. This Christmas tree was really special to my family because it was so similar to the ones my late grandmother always had, with real candles, wooden ornaments, and just super authentic German. We also went to a short Christmas Eve service at a little local church. Dinner at the hotel was amazing every single night, and I'm not exaggerating when I say that we drank the hotel out of their wine supply. One of the most fun things we did was tobogganing down a 7-kilometer course on the ski hill. In this clip, I was talking about the lack of visibility at the top of the mountain because you can barely see the cabin behind me. But luckily, the ride down ended up being really beautiful and clear. We're all having trouble getting going. Apparently, the last one has to buy the first round of drinks. And I'm definitely gonna be the last one. I can't get this shit moving. Oh shit, I'm moving. Oh, I'm moving. Nope. Oh, here I go. Here goes my mom.
Experience is sitting in one spot.
Come on, people.
He's got it.
Oh yeah, swimming down the slope. I like how you didn't drop your cigar on the way through.
Oops.
You know, Old Navy leggings. They are top notch.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Oh, so much fun. This is so much fun. The last two straddlers.
No, I think Colleen went.
Mom is struggling.
See you around the cliff.
Okay, bye. Finally, on a day where most people went skiing, my two brothers and I took a road trip to Hallstatt. And although Hallstatt was really cute, my favorite part of the day was the drive and just enjoying the view. I hope you guys enjoy living vicariously through this drone footage, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I've never done a voiceover style video before, so definitely comment below and let me know what you think. And let me know what you thought of our little castle getaway in the Austrian Alps. If you like this video, make sure to smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching.